Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best light bulb remover is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any homeowner's arsenal. Changing a high-ceiling light bulb can be a frustrating and potentially dangerous task. But what if there was a way to make it easy and safe? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of light bulb removers, exploring the best options to help you conquer those high-ceiling challenges. Number 5. DOCA Telescoping Pole 6 to 24 feet, High-Reach Extendable Kit. This extendable pole reaches from 6 to 24 feet. It allows you to perform hard-to-reach tasks safely from the ground. It features a straight metal tip for various tasks. The attachable multi-angle tip offers 180 degrees of flexibility, making it easy to clean gutters and more. You can easily store it in a closet or hang it on a wall. It fits in a car or truck bed, and you can quickly adjust its length with the thumb lever. You can use it with various cleaning supplies and attachments. This includes dusting attachments, brushes, squeegees, and more, but these are not included. Whether you're washing windows or pruning a tree, it's perfect for your cleaning needs. It provides a safe and convenient way to handle various tasks. What we like. This pole extends a whopping 24 feet, making it perfect for those extra high ceilings. It also features a dual-tip design for various tasks. If you have a variety of cleaning or maintenance needs at different heights, this is the tool for you. What people say. The pole is beefy. It has multiple levers that you can easily move to expand or retract sections of the pole. This design makes it much more compact for the less tall locations. Number 4. DOCA Light Bulb Changer with Extension Pole. Tired of struggling to change those high-up light bulbs? This tool makes it easy. It extends up to 30 feet, allowing you to safely and quickly replace bulbs without a ladder. The 2.25-inch suction cup is designed for flat, smooth bulbs. It's perfect for recessed lights and floodlights. Make sure the surface is clean and smooth for the best results. This patented suction attachment makes changing bulbs simple. It's compatible with all DOCA poles for maximum reach. Now, those difficult lights are within your grasp. The thumb screw and push pin design secures the suction cup. This prevents spinning and ensures a firm grip on the bulb. You can trust it to hold the bulb securely. This tool works with various LED lights, indoors and outdoors. It performs best on clean, smooth surfaces. It's a versatile solution for all your lighting needs. The universal threaded tip is compatible with many attachments. You can use it for other hard-to-reach tasks. It's a valuable addition to your toolkit. What we like. This light bulb changer uses a premium silicone suction cup for a secure grip. The design prevents spinning, ensuring a safe and reliable experience. If you are looking for a reliable solution specifically for recessed and outdoor lights, this is the one. What people say. I attached this nifty device to the end of a paint extension rod I already had and stuck it to the old bulb while standing directly underneath the fixture. It came right out and the new bulb readily stuck to the suction cup and went right back into the fixture. The suction cup keeps the bulbs firmly on the device throughout the entire process. The device has a string-activated lever to release the suction and bulb. 35-foot bulb replacements are easy. First, this pole is very good quality, having multiple sections to adjust for needed height, each with easy-to-use fasteners to hold the pole at the desired length. The included suction cup with release string is really the secret weapon here, allowing easy installation and release of the new bulb. I tested it first, wetting the suction cup and making sure my bulb surface was clean as per instruction, and could literally shake the pole hard without the bulb flying off. Number 3. EasyX Vacuum Light Bulb Changer Kit. Introducing the EasyX Vacuum Light Bulb Changer. This tool makes changing high-ceiling light bulbs easy. It's lightweight and simple to use, saving you time and effort. This changer works best with PAR 38, BR 30, BR 40, and R 20 bulbs. Make sure the bulb is clean and smooth for optimal suction. Avoid using it on rusted bulb bases. The device uses a standard 3/4-inch diameter ACME thread holder. Attach a painter's pole or any pole with an ACME thread design. Remember to tighten the side screw for a secure grip. Charge the transmitter for 3 hours before use. Press the A button to activate suction and B to release. Center the suction cup, twist counterclockwise to remove the old bulb, and clockwise to install the new one. The kit includes a handheld remote for easy on-off control. It also comes with a wireless transmitter, charging cord, and a 1-year warranty. If you need help, our support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This changer is vacuum operated and comes with a remote control for easy use. It works with a wide range of bulb types. If you like the convenience of remote operation and need to change bulbs with ease, this is a great choice. What people say. It works exactly as advertised and as shown in the videos. This device worked very well. The suction holds the bulb in very strongly until you release it. By contrast, this powered bulb sucker works great. Until you release the vacuum, the bulb stays firmly attached to the tool. It is well made, reliable, and just plain works. Number 2. Bayco 7-piece light bulb changing kit. This 7-piece kit has all the tools you need to change most standard bulbs. It makes the task safe and easy, reaching those difficult-to-access light fixtures. The kit includes a durable 3-section steel pole. This pole extends up to 11 feet, allowing you to change bulbs in high ceilings or outdoor fixtures without a ladder. The pole features a standard thread head. This design allows it to accept not only the included bulb changers but also painting and washing accessories, making it a versatile tool. Included is a changer specifically designed for standard incandescent and CFL bulbs. This tool ensures a secure grip on the bulb, preventing breakage and making the changing process safer. Also included is a changer for floodlights and recessed or track lighting. This specialized tool allows you to easily and safely replace these types of bulbs. What we like. This kit includes a 7-piece set, providing all the tools you need for most standard bulbs. The pole extends to 11 feet and has a standard thread head. If you are looking for a complete kit with multiple tools, this is the one. What people say. Changed a really high light bulb by myself without grade of falling off a ladder. It was the twist style bulb, but I think a person could change most styles of bulbs with this. I've only used the suction cup attachment, but it couldn't have been easier. I changed 4 bulbs that ranged from 10 to 15 feet and it took maybe 10 minutes. Number 1. DOCA light bulb changer for high ceilings. This is the perfect changer attachment for high ceilings and outdoor floodlights. It makes changing bulbs a breeze. This product is made with high-quality materials. The steel fingers and gentle touch grabbers ensure a secure grip. Adjustable silicone touch points cover the 8 steel spring fingers. This design helps to protect the bulb while changing. The stainless steel hardware positively secures the changer onto the pole. This ensures the changer stays in place while in use. It is made of high-strength, lightweight aluminum. This makes it durable, adjustable, and compatible with various poles. What we like. This classic bulb changer features gentle touch grabbers and a secure lock thumb bolt for a reliable grip. It is perfect for high ceilings and outdoor floodlights. If you like a simple, yet effective design, this is the one for you. What people say. I attached this nifty device to the end of a paint extension rod I already had and stuck it to the old bulb while standing directly underneath the fixture. It came right out and the new bulb readily stuck to the suction cup and went right back into the fixture. Again, all with my feet firmly planted on the floor. The suction cup keeps the bulbs firmly on the device throughout the entire process. The device has a string-activated lever to release the suction and bulb. 35-foot bulb replacements are easy. First, this pole is very good quality, having multiple sections to adjust for needed height, each with easy-to-use fasteners to hold the pole at the desired length. The included suction cup with release string is really the secret weapon here, allowing easy installation and release of the new bulb. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.